Right now, we're seeing a remarkable spike in music sentiment at plus 0.72, significantly above our historical baseline. This isn't just a number, it indicates a surge in positive emotional engagement with music that hasn't been this high in recent weeks. With a momentum of plus 0.24, it suggests that this trend is gaining traction, possibly influenced by recent releases or events in the music industry. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of this sentiment, including insights into 20 distinct semantic clusters related to the music, giving you a granular view of the emotional landscape. Imagine integrating this data into your app to recommend songs based on real-time emotional trends, enhancing user engagement like never before. To dive deeper and leverage this in your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.